Really?
Yeah. You see? What kind of milk do you use?
Biological sheep milk? Organic sheep milk? I don't know. Yeah. Sheep milk.
Sheep milk? And sometimes just normal milk?
Yeah.
But this time, sheep milk. This is sheep milk. Oh. Where is the sheep? Oh, here. Yeah. Yeah. And with this machine, she makes some yogurt. Yeah. This is better. Oh, thank you. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 yogurts.